Hello students, hope you all are doing good and today we will discuss a simple problem of electrostatics which had been asked in your NEET exam in 2020. Okay, the question says a spherical conductor of radius 10 cm has a charge of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Question is saying a spherical conductor. Let us suppose this is a spherical conductor. Okay, this is a conductor and it has a charge q is equal to, charge has been given to us in the question, that is 3.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb, and has a charge this, and radius of the sphere is r is equal to 10 centimeter. We will convert it into meter, then it will be 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. Then we have been asked, then what is the magnitude of electric field at a point 15 centimeter from the center of the sphere. Now we have to find the electric field. Electric field we have been asked in the question, and at a distance 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter means 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. At this distance we have to find the value of electric field. Okay. Now first of all, this is a conductor. Conductor is a material which can conduct the charges. In this type of material, three type of materials are there. First one is conductor, second one is semiconductor, you all know, and third one is insulator. In conductor, charges can conduct. Okay, when we put some charge in the conductor, charges will say, sir, whether we can conduct, we can move. Obviously you can move, this is a conductor, and charges always repel each other. So whenever you put any charge in this volume, charges always repel each other, charges will repel, and these charges will reach at the surface of the conductor. So in case of conductor, charges will always reside at the surface of the conductor. This whole total charge is given to us, which is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and this radius is, this is the radius, which is 10 centimeter, obviously 10 into 10 to the power minus 2, which we have been asked that electric field we have to find at 15 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. Obviously 15 centimeter will be outside the sphere. Okay, let us suppose this is point P at which we have been asked the electric field. Let us suppose this is the distance small. Point P is outside the conducting sphere. Note that point P is outside the conducting sphere. Outside the conducting sphere, this whole charge, I had tell you about that, this whole charge is assumed to be concentrated at this center, and if this whole charge will concentrate at the center, assumed, it has been assumed, if this whole charge is assumed at the center, then it will behave as a point charge, and due to point charge the electric field is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. So electric field at point P, because point P is outside, this point P is outside, so electric field at point P will be E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. Epsilon naught is what? Epsilon naught is the called permittivity of the free space. Okay, so we have to find the value of this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This value we have been given in the question and we all know about it. This value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, charge q is this whole charge, 3.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb upon small r. Small r is the distance from the center of the sphere, not from the surface. Sometimes students make mistake related to this. Small r is always the distance from the center of the sphere, and this distance we have been given is 15 centimeter. So 15 into r square means 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is meter and this is whole square. And when you solve this, the answer comes out to be 1.28 into 10 to the power 5, and electric field, the unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. So in this question, this option is option 1. So we would say option 1 is correct. Okay, hope you all understood of is in this question. This is a simple question, and this is question has been asked in NEET 2020. Simple question. If you would apply a simple concepts of conductor and outside charge resides on the surface in case of conductor, and when we have to find the field at point P which is outside, then whole charge will be assumed to be concentrated at the origin, and if we place all this charge at the origin, then electric field due to a point charge formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 q. This charge 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and distance from the center of sphere 15 centimeter, and this answer is 1.2 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, thank you.